Supabase versus Drizzle, which database tool is better? Choosing the right database tool can completely change how you build and manage your applications without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly explore Supabase and Drizzle to help you decide. Supabase and Drizzle are popular database tools, but serve different purposes. Supabase is a backend as a service platform with built-in database and APIs, while Drizzle is a lightweight TypeScript ORM focused on type safety and query building. Their core difference lies in scope and approach. Supabase is an open source backend as a service platform that offers a fully managed Postgres database along with real-time APIs, authentication, and storage. It works by providing developers with a ready-to-use backend infrastructure, eliminating the need to set up and maintain a database server. Supabase automatically generates APIs for your database tables, enabling easy integration with front-end applications. Its strengths include real-time data syncing, built-in user authentication, and a comprehensive dashboard for managing your projects. However, Supabase is opinionated and may feel heavyweight if you only need a simple ORM or prefer full control over your backend. It's ideal for developers who want a fast, scalable backend solution with minimal setup and integrated services, especially for web and mobile apps that require real-time capabilities and authentication out of the box. Drizzle is a modern TypeScript ORM designed to provide type-safe SQL query building and migrations. It works by allowing developers to write database queries using TypeScript syntax, which ensures compile time safety and better developer experience. Drizzle focuses on simplicity and flexibility by supporting multiple SQL databases without adding unnecessary abstractions. Its strengths include strong type inference, seamless integration with TypeScript projects, and precise control over SQL queries. However, Drizzle does not provide backend services like authentication or real-time updates, so it requires pairing with other tools for a full backend solution. Drizzle is best suited for developers who want a lightweight, type-safe ORM that integrates well with existing backend frameworks and prefer writing SQL-like queries with the benefits of TypeScript. Comparing Supabase and Drizzle comes down to project needs. Supabase offers an all-in-one backend platform with database, real-time APIs, and authentication, ideal for rapid development and managed infrastructure. It suits startups or teams looking to avoid backend complexity. Drizzle, on the other hand, is a specialized ORM focused on type-safe query building within TypeScript environments. It offers more control and flexibility, but requires additional tools for authentication and real-time features. For example, if you want a quick backend with minimal setup, Supabase excels. If you prefer building custom backends with precise database control and type safety, Drizzle is a better fit. The trade-off is between an integrated service and a modular, code-centric approach. Choose Supabase if you want a fully managed backend with real-time capabilities and authentication, enabling fast development without managing infrastructure. Opt for Drizzle if you prefer a lightweight, type-safe ORM that integrates seamlessly with TypeScript projects and offers fine-grained control over SQL queries. Both tools have distinct strengths, so select based on your project's complexity and backend requirements.